Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to select all text in a swipe on your Samsung Galaxy device. So inside Keys Cafe, there's a cool gesture that lets you select all text just by swiping across the keyboard. So no need to hold or drag manually, one smooth swipe and everything is highlighted. So let me show you how to do this. So first open up Keys Cafe. Next, go ahead and tap on keyboard, then tap on gesture here. And now here you want to find use two-finger gesture, switch this on. Now I already have up set as copy, down set for paste, and now for the left, you can go ahead and set this for select all. Now once that's done, press home. Now let's open up message, open message here, and let's just say I want to copy, select all this. So in order to do this, we'll go ahead and open up the keyboard, go ahead and use your two fingers and swipe left. And there you go. So it's copied. Now I can go ahead and use my two fingers, swipe up, that's copied. I can go ahead and now paste it by swiping down. And like this, I can go ahead and repeat this. So this is select all, copy, and paste. So this is perfect for anyone who types or edits text often. It's faster, cleaner, and super satisfying, especially when you need to copy, cut, or replace large chunks of text in seconds. So there you go, guys. That is how to select all text in a swipe on your Samsung Galaxy device.